started out like a perfect scene, laughing loud, chasing dreams. Never thought we'd fall apart. You had my trust, you had my heart.
We were young, we didn't know how to keep what we let grow. Now I'm standing here alone in a place we called our own.
I still hear your voice in every song. Feels like somehow you're not gone, but every step I take away still leads me back to yesterday. We could have been everything, all the love that we never got to bring. We could have been more than just a memory. Now you're just a what if to me. We could have been fire, we could have been gold, a story that the world could have told. But now I'm left with broken dreams of everything we could have been.
Pictures fade, but I still see all the things you were to me. Every word, every kiss, now it's just what I miss.
Try to heal, but time won't lie. Some scars never say goodbye. I keep holding on to you, even when I know we're through.
If I could turn back time, I'd try to make you mine. Fix the cracks, heal the pain, find our way back again.
But time won't wait for us, and love turned into dust. Now all I have to hold are stories left untold. We could have been everything. Now I'm drowning in the songs we used to sing. We could have been more than just a memory, but now you're just a what if to me.
We could have been fire, we could have been gold, but some forever stories never unfold. Now I'm learning how to mend from the love it could mean.
We could have been. We could have been.